Let's begin the session. And hello, everyone. This is Gaston Ravindas from Healthcare Engineering Platform. And we are happy to have this webinar today. We are going to launch our new sessions and the programs based on digital marketing for healthcare professionals, students, and the entrepreneurs who are willing to start up their businesses and all. And I would like to introduce Mr. Zubai, who is providing the courses. We are joining them and allowing the platforms and the students who are already our customers. And I would like to introduce Mr. Zubai. And Zubai, would you like to take the session?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Gadsden, for introducing me and arranging this session for the students. So, my name is Zubair Sheikh, and I'm the managing director of a company called Edrupt Private Limited here in India. It's an edtech company who trains students to make a career in digital marketing industry, but it's not a traditional institute. It's a kind of on-job training program which helps students to enhance their skill and take their career to the next level. So that is about me, and we'll share more detail about our company in the coming slide. So Getson, do you want to wait now or we'll start the webinar?
Let's continue, Zubai.
Okay, sure. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if you are able to see.
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
see the screen.
Yeah. So welcome to the most valuable digital marketing workshop where you can shift your career to the next level. Even if you are a fresher and don't know anything about digital marketing, that's not an issue. That is how the webinar is built. So there are some facts which will tell it's a global fact because very few people are the digital marketing expert, like 2%, which we did the research in digital marketing and how to take advantage because this industry is growing very rapidly on an average of 30% year on year. So the awareness is there. Everyone know what, because everyone using the social platform, Google platform, but becoming an expert and making money out of this platform, very few people knows. And there is a big promise by end of this session if you know exactly the power of digital marketing, which can help you for your lifelong roadmap to make and help. It's not necessary as a fresher. It's for everyone. If you are a working professional, if you are an legal professional, accounting, dentist, any professional, because digital marketing is very important to grow your business and is applicable for everyone. So here we'll show you the roadmap. But before that, will already introduce myself, but I will introduce you about our company. So let's make it very interactive. I will see the chat because it keep me going on. Otherwise, it will be a very one-way session. Just I'm speaking, and so have a little interaction and give your responses in the chat box. So I know that you are also learning something. The main intention of this webinar is you to learn. We are conducting you to take value out of this session. Okay.
All the, especially
So
from
we
our
are what we
platform.
are.
So in this course.
Sorry, I lost you in between. Can you please repeat, Gadsden?
Who are joining through, please feel free to
Okay.
ask your questions, clarify your thoughts or doubts regarding the course so that you can get the exact idea and all the benefits about these courses and all, right? So please feel free to ask your questions.
Yeah. Okay. So Edrupt is one of the top digital marketing institutes here in Mumbai, India, where our head office is based. And we are a global company. We have 50,000 plus learning community trainers and 100% job assistant for our students. So these are the fundamental thing, the golden truth, like fundamental thing everyone knows. But no one use it for the place like demand of the job, owning an agency and making a career. So these are the tool strategy system. These are the advanced thing. And that's where we told you about the awareness. The only few percentage of people know how to leverage it. And the correct way of this workshop is to pay full attention. Get pen and paper, write your thing, because otherwise it will be too much knowledge for you to absorb if you are new for this thing. And at the end, you can also check your health check. There is a small activity where you can draw some detail and take mark your score where you stand. And yeah, so I'm not going to tell any kind of stories. It's all fact. which will take you if you implement in your career. So again, I am going to skip few slides also, which is not relevant because it's a very lengthy webinar, which we conduct generally for our global student, more than 100 slides. So yeah, it's a So first, let's start why digital marketing, understanding digital marketing. So these are the global companies which are operating in any region, any countries like Amazon, IBM, Accenture, big Coca-Cola. And you see their marketing budget is shifted more than 40% to digital media because the audience is shifted. Now, no more the newspaper exists on our mobile, tablets or laptop. And that's where the digital marketing need is there. Here are some data again, like a job description, which is taken from the job portal and what is the demand globally in terms of dollar. And there are some data India specific also, like a social media executive, digital marketing executive, what kind of pay scale they are getting. Even in other industry, when people work for 3 to 5 years, they are not able to get the level of pay scale which digital marketing industry is giving them. So people are earning good 6, 7 figures income within their initial start of the career. So digital marketing is a very big umbrella. There are hundreds of things are happening, but our focus is to make you a specialist of one of the skills. So what's happening in content development, analyticals, branding, influencer. So all those these topic is a part of our training program once we train our student so that they are industry ready. And the four big part is SEO, Google Ad, Meta platform. Meta includes your Google, Facebook and Instagram. So taking the content live on the social platform. So let's take an example like one of the suburbs in Mumbai, which we have added here, like a best dentist in Virar. So it can be any suburbs, best dentist in New York, best dentist in Singapore. So similar way, when you type in Google, you will get these local Google My Business optimization. So Meenakshi Clinic, Sabka Dentist, all those things are coming, but they are not coming automatically. There is a process to verify in the Google, do the registration and optimize as per the best practice, and then only you can come. And there is an immense benefit of doing a registration in Google My Business because people are searching. Let's say as a user, if you want to buy anything now through mobile, what you are doing, either a voice search, or shops near me, electronic stores near me, right? General physician near me. So these are the queries will get it into the Google tool. So SEO is a process of optimizing your website so it rank higher in Google because Google is having lakhs of database every day. Their machine learning algorithm crawl the website data from web and then which website is having more authority and relevance for that particular search query in that region, it will rank. So first is to grow your organic traffic, then potentially brand exposure. And then without spending on the paid advertising through SEO, you can get a potential sales and the inquiries for your business. And that's where we have break down our program in the 4 important aspects so that for any business owner, it will be very helpful, or for any student who want to make a career at initially, it is very helpful. Then coming, so one of the example in between, we are sharing some example also. This is a student, Tania, who is working as a SEO specialist in one of the organization. An average salary of SEO specialist in India is starting from 3.7 lakhs. And this is a old data. The salaries are increasing every day. And why SEO exists? So let's see a demand. So there is a keyword intent IO tool. It's a free tool, even if you can just with me go in Google and see and search. So when you search any keyword here, you need to select a language and country and submit. So it will give you a data. So whenever setting up the campaign, it will show you see all. So there are people, 14,000 people monthly searching for this keyword. What does it mean? 14,000 potential buyer for a dentist or a patient. If you don't have your website, ranking very well optimized, you are basically losing this business. So some other competitor is taking this business, and that is how the whole SEO thing will work. And it will also show the difficulty level of the keyword in SEO and in paid, and what is the cost per click. It's $0.01. So let's say if you want to start your Google ad, and what is the Google ad? When you go in Google and type dentist in Mumbai, so you will get the ad at the bottom somewhere. It's not coming, but you will get the advertising at the top. So this is a sponsor. If you observe here, it's a sponsor. Sponsor means someone is paying that cost to the Google so that they are immediately at the top of the search. So you don't need to wait for few months to get the organic ranking. So